Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. Today we will be going over basic guidelines installing the Arnott new rear air strut for various GM SUVs, GMT1xx. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a safe and effective replacement. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly, and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle. Once this is done, you can disable and deflate the air suspension system according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, remove the applicable rear wheel. Now the wheel is removed, remove a portion of the wheel well liner to gain access to the top of the strut tower. Once you gained access, disconnect the electrical connector from the strut. Now remove the air fitting from the strut. Also, be sure to remove the 3 top nuts, which are marked with green circles in the picture. Now disconnect the brake line bracket from the lower control arm. Disconnect the lower control arm from the wheel hub. After disconnecting, it's time to remove the lower strut mount bolt. At this point, you can safely remove the strut from the vehicle. Let's start the installation of the new Arnott air strut. During the installation process, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Start by installing the new Arnott air strut into the vehicle. Install the 3 new included top nuts and tighten to manufacturer's specifications. Prior to inserting the existing airline into the new air strut, you will need to remove the old original equipment airline fitting and discard. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Now the old airline fitting is removed, you can insert the new airline into the air fitting. Next, reconnect the strut's electrical connector. Reinstall the lower strut mount bolt and tighten to manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the lower control arm to the wheel hub. At this point, reconnect the brake line bracket to the lower control arm. You can now secure the wheel well liner and reinstall the wheel. Lastly, enable and inflate the air suspension system and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear air strut for various GM SUVs, GMT1xx, with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.